How to add topics in Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from the given list click on settings, then click on home feed tuner from the account information section, and here you want to click on the topics tab. And in order for you to add a topic, all what you need to do is click on that red button and then add the topics that you want, and that's it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add new topics in Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.